So again, we live in a world, I think, a world of change, really. So the requirement for evidence is evolving. There's a real emphasis today on real-world evidence as part of any submission, and also patient-reported outcomes are increasingly important. The shift, the change, which I think is really important, is towards value-based care rather than volume-based care. And in fact, I don't know how many people are familiar with, I'm going to call it an organization called ICHOM, ICHOM. But they're doing a lot of work around value-based care, and I think it's worth looking at. It tends to be more for disease states, but I think it's really interesting because they've engaged with patients and physicians around the world to develop what are the relevant value-based outcomes. So I think, or patient outcomes, the outcomes that we should be focusing on. So I think that work's really, really interesting. The other change is really around digitalisation of healthcare. We're sharing a lot more patient information. There are all sorts of cybersecurity risks associated with that need to be considered, and a lot more regulation coming along in that area. Environmental sustainability, a big thing now. We used to get away. If you think about inhalers and things, they are no longer really desired. So that's something that's important. And then probably also the move towards personalised healthcare, I think, is a change and has implications for all sorts of things, like helping identify, a tighter target population, etc., that you might want to develop your particular offering for.